Hey everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are answering 30 key questions about the Indian stock market and finance. From BSE and NSE to IPOs and mutual funds, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the primary stock exchange in India? Answer: Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Question 2. What does NSE stand for? Answer: National Stock Exchange. Question 3. What is the benchmark index of BSE? Answer: Sensex. Question 4. What does Nifty 50 represent? Answer: the top 50 companies listed on the NSE. Question 5. Who regulates the stock markets in India? Answer: Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Question 6. What is an IPO? Answer: Initial Public Offering. Question 7. What is the full form of SEBI? Answer: Securities and Exchange Board of India. Question 8. What is market capitalization? Answer: the total market value of a company's outstanding shares. Question 9. What is a blue chip stock? Answer: a stock of a large, well-established, and financially sound company. Question 10. What does the term bull market mean? Answer: a market condition where prices are rising or are expected to rise. Question 11. What is a bear market? Answer: a market condition where prices are falling or are expected to fall. Question 12. What is a mutual fund? Answer: a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in securities. Question 13. What does SIP stand for in mutual funds? Answer: Systematic Investment Plan. Question 14. What is the role of a stockbroker? Answer: to facilitate the buying and selling of stocks for clients. Question 15. What is dividend yield? Answer: a company's annual dividend expressed as a percentage of its share price. Question 16. What is the full form of FII? Answer: foreign institutional investor. Question 17. What is the full form of DII? Answer: domestic institutional investor. Question 18. What is insider trading? Answer: buying or selling of a security by someone who has access to non-public information about the security. Question 19. What is a stock split? Answer. An increase in the number of shares outstanding by issuing more shares to current shareholders. Question 20. What is a bond? Answer. A fixed income instrument representing a loan made by an investor to a borrower. Question 21. What is the difference between a stock and a bond? Answer. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are loans from investors to a company or government. Question 22. What is a portfolio? Answer. A collection of financial investments like stocks, bonds, commodities, cash, and cash equivalents. Question 23. What is an ETF? Answer. Exchange-traded fund. Question 24. What is a stock index? Answer. A measurement of the performance of a section of the stock market. Question 25. What does P/E ratio stand for? Answer. Price to earnings ratio. Question 26. What is a derivative? Answer. A financial security whose value is dependent upon or derived from an underlying asset or group of assets. Question 27. What is meant by liquidity in the stock market? Answer. The ability to buy or sell an asset quickly without affecting its price. Question 28. What is a margin account? Answer. An account offered by brokers that allows investors to borrow money to buy securities. Question 29. What is short selling? Answer. Selling a security that the seller does not own, with the intention of buying it back later at a lower price. Question 30. What is the role of the Reserve Bank of India in the financial market? Answer. It regulates the issue and supply of the Indian rupee and manages the country's main payment systems.